Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I go by RishaaMariee. If you are not new here, I appreciate you because you come and you show out, and I appreciate that. So in today's video, we're not going to do no long intros. I know I always say we're not going to do long intros, and I do a long intro.
Honey, do that. It's your business.
But that's besides the point. What we're doing today is three strand twist. Like, I can't even get it out. Like, it's a tongue twister. Three strand twist. That's what we're doing, all right? We're doing some 3 strands. And I've never done them before. I watched like 2 videos on them to see kind of like the feel of them, so I can show y'all. And then I could also do it on my hair and they can come out right, so it don't be a fail. So that's what we hoping that's not. I use 2 products in my hair. I use the Unjacky's Quench Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And then I also use the Unjacky's Flaxseed Recipe, the Curl Maintenance Whip. Those are the 2 things that I use. They're already in my hair, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, before we start, just subscribe. Like, I think y'all should know how this go already. Subscribe to my channel. It doesn't hurt you. You're not gonna get spam in your emails or nothing like that. Like the video, and then just comment something like, "Girl, I'm gonna try those." Like, that's right. Do support. Like, it ain't that hard. Just, you know, figure it out. So I already did main part of my hair. I just left this 4th over here so I can show y'all, because, you know, you don't want to see me twisting all day, and I wanted to kind of know what I was doing before I came on here and tried to act like I knew what I was doing. You did? Alright, so I just combed through the section with the wide tooth, and then I make a part. Yeah, I'm gonna end up doing 3. So I make a part it up, part it away. And this is going to be my first one. So then I'm going in with a finer tooth comb. I always do this. If you ever watch any of my natural hair videos, always do that. So I make sure that's combed really good. And then I'm going to start it with a 3 strand. I'm going to start with a braid, okay? A 3 strand braid. I don't know why I said it like that. So just plait your hair like normal, right? I'm going to go down about 1 inch or so. And then boom, we got 3 strands, right? So it's like 1, 2, 3. Y'all see that? 1, 2, 3. Boom. So I'm gonna take 1 and I'm gonna cross 1 over 2 and 3, right? And then it's 2, 3, 1. And then I'm gonna take 2 and cross 2 over 3 and 1. And then it's 3 in the front, right? So now I'm just gonna take 3 and cross 3 over 1 and 2. So now you back at 1, 2, 3. All right? I know that sounds crazy. Let's do it one more time. So I'm gonna take 1 and cross 1 over 2 and 3. Okay? So 2 is in the front now. Now I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to cross 2 over 3 and 1. So 3 is in the front. And then I'm going to take 3 and cross it over 1 and 2. Boom. So that's really just all it is. So I kind of got the hang of it. So now I'm moving a little fast, right? I'm moving like I know what I'm doing or whatever. I'm doing all this, and if these come out ugly, then I'm gonna have to call whoever came up with this design and be like, "Sis, you played me, okay? You played me." So I just really twist. Well, I'm 3 stranding, and you gotta be careful because your mind may want to do a plait, and that ain't what we're trying to do. So I do that all the way down until, you know, my ends start kind of like thinning out. Not thinning, because that ain't what we doing. But they kind of like taper out. Yeah, I do that. And then I just had this little bit at the end, and I put it all together, and I just coil it around my fingers. And make a nice juicy coil at the bottom. So it can look like that, alright? And then really, this is just what it looked like. It looked like a fat coil. That's what it looked like, a really fat coil. And I braid the roots just so it can be a little tighter and so your roots don't be that puffy, because, you know, you want everything to look sleek. And basically, that's what they look like. They look like a bunch of fat coils. So that's all we finna do. And we finna repeat the process. You did?
I be wearing braids and I get jerseys daily. Don't mean I'm back, you know. Don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it, no. Not trying to hear it. And if he knew ya, he would understand ya. That you're my man and you would never never hurt me, no. Let me come and see you so that we can be alone. Baby, I know a place that we can go and be alone. As long as you make sure that you're safe to get me home. Don't worry, baby. Outside, you wanna be there. Feel that you're ready, just don't know.
Alright, y'all. So these are all the twists. Now, the purpose of a 3-strand twist, they say it gives you more definition than a 2-strand. Lately, when I do my twist outs, because those have been my go-tos, if you haven't seen, I did a couple, well, I actually did one video on my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube handle, so you need to go check that out. But basically, I've been doing flat twists. I also have videos on YouTube for them too, so I'm gonna link all that. Y'all just check it all out. Follow me everywhere. Just love me everywhere, you know? So, they say that it gives you more definition than a regular 2-strand twist does. Now, my flat twist give me a lot of definition, so I don't really know, but we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see how this come out. I did it right, so it ain't got no choice, you know. I did it on clean hair and everything, so I'm just gonna let these dry, and I will come back to y'all with the takedown and the final product, okay? Guys, I am back with the takedown for these. So basically, for the takedown, I'm just going to put some oil on my hands, any type of oil that you have. And the reason why I use oil at this step is just because it helps for your hair not to have so much friction with your hands. So it gives it a little bit more slip. So really, I'm just going to like start twisting it back. Well, in whatever opposite way of your curl. That's the way I'm finna twist. And we're just going to take this down. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the takedown. Now, I picked it a lot because it's so like defined, it's so flat, and I hate flat hair, I hate big hair, so you're gonna see a lot of frizz. But you also see all this definition. Like, I know y'all see this. Like, that is super defining. That method, that 3-strand method is super defining. But also, if you like big hair, it's kind of hard to get big hair with it. Like, I was able to get it up here because this part of my hair is just unruly. Like, it does what it wants to do any other time. So, but you also see up here is less defined. Here, we're super defined on this side, it's not as big. Even down here, it's not as big because it's defined. And I can't disrupt it enough. Well, I could, but then you ain't gonna have no curls. So I think maybe with this method we could try it with gel and we may be able to get a little bit more action there. I like it. It's something I could see myself doing again, but I still would go with my flat twist method. If you haven't seen my flat twist method, I'll put it in the cards. I think it's up here actually. Yeah, I think it's over here. I'll put it in the cards. I'll also link it down below, probably have it on the end screen. like I said earlier, I have a short demo of me doing it on my Instagram page, Lord. So yeah, you can see that, because I feel like I can get volume and definition with that. I can get the best of both worlds. With this, I feel like I'm just getting a lot of definition, and it does look like coils when you separate it. Like that's a coil. It looks just like coils when you separate them. So it's cool. I don't think it'll last long either, because it feels really soft, especially even when I was taking it down. It felt extremely soft. But it could have just been the products I used as well. Like, you could probably throw in a gel and you'll get different results. I probably will try that. I actually want to try finger coils now. Not keep them in, but like finger coil my hair and then take it down with the gel and see how that comes out. So that may be a video too. So you guys let me know in the comments down below if you'll be interested in seeing something like that, or anything you'll be interested in seeing. Any hairstyle you want me to try, or whatever it may be. Go ahead and leave that in the comments and I will check that out for you guys. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment and you share so we can continue to grow my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And remember to turn on those post notification bells, because I post every Wednesday. And I will catch you guys here next Wednesday. Peace.